So for the test, I will simply do a test recording using this microphone, and I will switch right now to that microphone. And I just want to actually just move forward and backward so you can see how the sound is if I'm far away or getting closer, and what happens if I move from left to right. So I'm actually on the left and I move to right, and as you can see, you must be very in front of the microphone, and you can't even turn your head from left to right or whatever, up and down. That's what it does. So yes, so actually I will just read the Amazon description we have from the Vegue VM50. So let's start with that. It says, heavy duty design, the VM50 USB mic is made of all metal material for better durability and chic styling. Featuring an upgraded shock mount and pop filter, all-in-one design help minimize background noise for optimal pickup on top of excellent sound quality. Warm sound with low noise. The VM50 USB mic adopts a cardioid pickup pattern which effectively picks up the voice from the front as well as minimize the voice from behind. And let's test that. So this is my voice from behind. And actually, yes, it sounds pretty weird. And it's probably because I should not record from here. Multifunction VM50 USB mic is equipped with all feature you need. No latency monitoring, quick mute button, volume control, and indicator. With the convenience design, VM50 will be your first choice and meet different occasion needed. Plug and play. Compare with ordinary USB mic, VM50 has a built-in complete plug and play technology without any driver and hub. And yes, it was pretty easy to connect on the computer. The newly designed USB-C to USB-AC cable provide multi-system usage such as a Mac, PS4, PS5, Windows PC, laptop, and etc. Great for gaming, recording, live streaming, YouTube videos, podcasts, and more. What you get: one condenser microphone, 2 shock mount, 1 pop filter, 1 bass, 1 USB-C to USB-AC cable of 2 meters, and 1 manual. All accessories come in one package, which make VM50 to be your most secure choice. So this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy. And if you need help to find this product online, please see my links in the description. Finally, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel so you can find me back easily next time you're looking for a great unbox video. See ya!